This program is line filter systems is one in a series of AN-UYK training programs brought to you by Navalex. This training program may be stopped at any time by pressing the stop switch on your audio-visual equipment. When you're ready to resume, press the start switch to continue. Ready to resume, push the start switch to continue. At the end of this presentation, the student will be able to access, move, and replace the line filter by using the proper tools and procedures listed in the AN-UYK20 Technical Manual. The reference technical manual for this procedure is the AN-UYK20 Technical Manual. Navalex number 0967 LP 5981010. Note: in many instances in this presentation, arrows are used to identify specific parts of the AN-UYK20. These arrows are for reference only and are not found on the equipment. The tools required for the proper performance of the line filter replacement procedure are shown in the following slide. Assembly access, removal, and replacement procedures. This slide shows the tools necessary to remove and replace the CP-IOC chassis. From left to right, these tools include a 1/8 inch flat blade screwdriver. From left to right, these tools include a 1/8 inch flat blade screwdriver, a number 1/4 inch flat blade, a 3/8 inch flat blade, a 3/8 inch X Phillips screwdriver, a 7/16 inch X driver, a 5/32 inch ball tip, a 7/16 inch, a 1/2 inch combination wrench, 5/32 logic bar tip extractor, Univac part number, a 1/2 inch combination 00903 extractor, Univac part number 7100903, some solder, and a needle nose pliers. A low wattage soldering iron. Perform the CP-IOC chassis removal procedures according to the AN-UYK Technical Manual, or as illustrated in the narrated slide program. Perform the CP-IOC chassis removal procedure according to the AN-UYK20 Technical Manual, or as illustrated in the narrated slide program for the line entitled CP-IOC chassis access, removal, and replacement is located in the upper left chassis corner of the cabinet. Necessary to fully accessing the CP-IOC chassis, the cabinet top panel must. The resistor assembly is located on the upper left side of the computer cabinet, just in front of the line filter. Besides removing the CP-IOC chassis, the cabinet top panel must also be removed to work on the resistor assembly. Lift off the cabinet top panel and lay it aside. Use the number 2 Phillips screwdriver and remove the 34 screws securing the filter assembly is fully accessible. Place the screws and washers in a container. 4 filter capacitors attached to a rectangular cabinet top panel. The chassis is fastened to the rear of the cabinet. Now, the resistor assembly is fully accessed. Has a soldered wire connection indicated by the arrow plate with 3 resistors soldered onto identified as. To replace a faulty resistor, first get the solder, the needle nose pliers, and heat up the soldering iron. First, get the solder, the needle nose pliers, for this presentation, heat up the resistor R1 at the top will be replaced. For each of the needle connections and soldering iron, back the shrink solder the resistor from the terminals. Then, use the needle soldering safety precaution and unsolder the wires. Ensure obtain a replacement resistor with the same value and power rating. With the 4 capacitor leads, use the diagonal cutting pliers and clip the resistor from the cabinet proper length. At the cabinet rear, remove the 8 Phillips screws around the input. Bend the resistor leads to fit on the resistor assembly terminal post. Hold the filter assembly to prevent it from dropping down into the cabinet. Solder in the replacement resistor. Observe standard soldering safety precautions and check the quality of each solder joint. The input power connector is part of the filter. Now that the resistor has been replaced, the AN-UYK20 can be reassembled. First, lay the cabinet top panel to replace the filter and align the screw holes. Place it in the cabinet and align the rear screw holes. Replace the 34 top panel fastening screws. Start all the power connectors and then tighten them down evenly with the number 2 Phillips screws. Then tighten them evenly. Perform the CP-IOC chassis replacement procedure according to the AN-UYK20 technical manual, or as illustrated in the narrated slide program 4F entitled CP-IOC chassis access, removal, and replacement. After the four solder verify computer operation, reapply power and run the diagnostics as specified in the AN-UYK20 technical manual. When proper computer operation is confirmed, the resistor assembly access, removal, and replacement procedure is complete. To reassemble the unit, first lay the top panel in place and align the screw holes. Replace the 34 top panel fastening screws. Start all screws first and then tighten them down evenly with the number 2 Phillips. Perform the CP-IOC chassis replacement procedure according to the AN-UYK20 technical manual, or as illustrated in the narrated slide program 4F entitled CP-IOC chassis access, removal, and replacement. To verify computer operation, reapply power and run the diagnostics as specified in the AN-UYK20 technical manual. When proper computer operation is confirmed, the line filter replacement procedure is complete.